Hi, good evening. See, in our typical Bangalore scenario, our setting, our people, our culture, we normally go to clubs or some restaurant and all that, have a drink or something. And once in a while, you will find one local with us. Local means I'm talking will be a government official. That's why I said local. We'll have some work with him, and somebody will have called him to the club, some work, some work, whatever. He'll come and he'll sit around, he'll look around. Nice, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, he'll say. Okay. We ask him, we'll be all be ordering beer or some other drink. We'll ask him what you want. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಾವೇನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. And he look at you in such a way that you have to order for him. Then finally he'll say, I'll have ಒಂದು 30, ಬರೀ 30 ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. That's it. As the moment of discussion gets hot, the guy would have had more than a bottle. That's the way our Bangaloreans are. Starts with 30, then it will be 10 30s.